How to remove music from a video but keep voice on Capcut. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove music from a specific video but will be keeping at the voice on. This is very simple. Now, if you're going to be using or doing this on your mobile device via the Capcut application, it's totally the same. So of course, first is to import the video that you would like to create. Next is to click and drag it into the timeline, and what you will have to do next is to click the current video that is currently on the timeline, right click, and then from here you should be able to see a lot of options. What you want to do is to choose on extract audio. Now once the audio has fully been extracted, what you want to have to do next is to click on the audio that has been extracted, and then at the top right you should see this settings. You just need to scroll down and then choose on separate audio. From here, you can go ahead and separate the vocals, instrument, drums, guitar, and so on and so forth. It does actually have a background audio right here, but for some reason it's not showing up on my end from the laptop version. But you should be able to see that here. Just simply choose that and then play the video for a review. And that's it. That's how you remove music from a video but keep voice on CapCut.